Hi, welcome back to my channel. What is going on with my hair? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little review on the Dashing Diva nail wraps, excuse me. I have been getting back into nail wraps, so I just wanted to try out a few different ones. And I came across the Dashing Diva ones, of course, because they're super popular and all that. They're available at Ulta, they're available at Target, yada, yada, yada. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick review on them. I used to wear nail stickers when I was in high school, and I just can't believe I got away from it. It's like no dry time. You put them on, you can get them like all the way super close to your cuticle. There's no like rough texture because you know, like doing your nails is hard and making them all nice and smooth and whatever. So they're just like an amazing cheat code. So I just wanted to try them out and then see how it would be if I added like gel top coat on it and all that good stuff. So I'll just take you through kind of my thoughts, and I, spoiler alert, really love them, and I'm definitely gonna be using them all year. I feel like I'm just saving so much money on manicures and all that, and I'm so obsessed. So first and foremost, the cost. They're $6.99 at Target for some of the little sets that I got. So here are the sets. This is a teal, a like mauve pink, and then I got this navy blue. And the set that I'm wearing is kind of like a, I don't even know how you would say this, like a powder blue or a sage blue or something like that. I'm not sure. But these have like little accent nails in them. They do have sets where you can just buy like just the straight color. Some of those are available at Ulta, and then also on Dashing Diva's website, they have like a full assortment of colors. So I think I'm gonna do a little shopping spree on their website just to get the plain gloss colors. Even though you get 32 nail strips, I really only feel like you get like one full set of nails out of it. I'm sure you could like cut them up and like form fit them to your nails and all that good stuff, but I don't know, most people probably just aren't gonna do that because the whole point is to save time. I did the set last Wednesday. It's the following Friday now. So they've been on for 9 days, and I didn't even put them on perfectly. Yeah, they're still looking pretty good. Okay, just wanted to show you the nail stickers. This is 9 days after. So, and I didn't put them on like perfectly, but that's pretty darn good for 9 days. I didn't have any nails break. I also have washed my hair, and I wash my hands like 1,000,000 times a day. So no chipping, nothing like that. I'm pretty impressed. And I would highly recommend to use a rubberized base coat. I found that they stuck on a lot better. So basically a rubberized base coat is kind of like a sticky base coat. This is from Orly. I've had this for a little while, but I 100% noticed the difference when I was applying them about how much better they stuck on rather than just putting them on my plain nail bed. And then also I wanted to try them out by putting some nail glue on as the base too. I don't know, excuse me. I don't know if any of you have tried that, but I was like, they'll really stick on if I use nail glue. But I suppose it would make them harder to take off, and I don't really want that. So I'm probably gonna redo my nails this weekend. I know that I could just peel these off and there would be like absolutely no damage to my nails, which is fantastic. But like none of them peeled off on their own, but I'm just kind of like flicking them up at the edge, and I'm like, oh, I know I could just peel this off really easily, which is great. And then because I have gel polish at home, I topped it with some structure gel, from Gelish, just to make my nails a little bit harder. Cause I have curly hair and I wash my hair and all that. So I just wanted to, you know, give like a gel effect basically. And then I topped it off with a top coat as well, which is by Gelish, and just cured it underneath the light. I think that worked out really well and gave them a nice gel effect. And the great thing about that is I can still just pull them off with no damage, and I don't have to worry about like soaking the gel off and all that good stuff, which is great. Like my biggest qualm with my nails was like, one, I like gel manicures, but they would never go down to the cuticle, and you could just always see the new growth so fast, and I hated that. And then they're just so hard to get off, and they take so long to get off, and it's getting really expensive now, you know? So I was trying to look for something that, you know, either lasted longer or that was like a lot easier to take off, you know, things like that. So these I think are an excellent middle ground, and they save so much money because you can go and get a gel manicure every 2 weeks. You're spending like, with the tip, you know, $75, $80, even more, depending on what type of salon you go to. And that's just ridiculous when I could just use these, do them every 2 weeks, and it's like $6, $7, no problem. So anyway, I want to keep experimenting with these, but I love them. And I just can't wait to do my nails again this week, because normally I just stick with more neutral colors. So I don't know what I was doing with this, and I'm already tired of it 9 days later. But it's fine because I can just take them off super easily, pop it on, it's great. It takes a little bit of a curve to figure out what fits your nails. But I would say once you probably start using them, you can just realize or remember what fits on what nail pretty easily. So that's not really a big problem. It's just gonna take you a little while, probably the first time, to figure out what fits your nails. And that's like the hardest part. But I would just say, takes a little bit of a learning curve. I would highly recommend using a rubberized base coat. I think that makes all the difference. And then topping it off with a top coat of gel and or structure gel. I would recommend doing that for sure. So I feel like these are gonna be the vibes, my vibes in 2022, because I'm always looking for just different ways to save money, but still like, you know, like look good. And I love them. So let me know if you've tried them. I know that they do have a collection where they're like semi-cured, where you can put them on and then cure them under a UV light too. So I may try some of those, we'll see. But they just have so many like nice selections and I freaking love them. And these are gonna be my nails in 2022, period. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Have any follow-up questions, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later and I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.